This is Arun, who runs the iconic Vidyarthi Bhavan, and everybody has said that they come from everywhere to eat the dosa. I've asked everybody, what is special about the dosa? Now you tell me.
No, our dosa is also like little bit different in the way we prepare. It's
Yeah.
quite thick and crispy.
Okay.
And because that consistency is maintained, people like it.
Okay, now tell me a little bit about all the portraits we see on the wall.
See, these are some of the portraits and all the famous people
Yeah.
who have contributed for the growth of our state, Karnataka, in various fields.
I see.
It's not that they have come to Vidyarthi Bhavan, but most of them have come to Vidyarthi
I
Bhavan.
saw Sam Manekshaw's portrait also.
Exactly. He is
But-
a Kannadiga who has contributed in the field of defense.
And most have eaten here also.
Most of them.
Now, this is a very old place. It's here since 1943, I think.
Yes.
And it started as an eatery for students. right?
Exactly. It
Okay.
started as a small student's canteen, and he's my dad.
Oh, wait, we have to meet Dad. Namaste, namaste. So this is the senior promoter of Vidyarthi Bhavan. Sir, आपका नाम, name?
रामकृष्ण अडिगा
Ramakrishna जी.
अडिगा
रामकृष्ण अडिगा. रामकृष्ण अडिगा, ये जो अपना ये जो जगह, हिंदी बोलो इंग्लिश बोलो, हिंदी चलेगा. You will translate for me. Can you both face the camera? रामकृष्ण जी, मैं अरुण से पूछ रही थी डोसा, यहाँ का सबसे अलग डोसा का बारे में डिस्टिंक्ट क्या है? Can you translate what I'm asking?
Dosa ಏನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ
ನೀನು ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ನೀನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
Please. Acha, okay. He's leaving you to do all the talking, but here's a stack. It's like a stack of pancakes. It looks actually like a stack of pancakes. How is he? इतना सारा कैसा पकड़ रहे हो?
ओ दो साल में
कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 1 minute, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This gentleman, what's your name?
सुरेश
Is holding 14 dosas in one go. Please, I don't want to stop you. Thank you.
Heavy
Okay.
and hot.
Huh?
Heavy and hot.
I have to eat one. Now, Arun, what's happening politically here? What do people care about the most in Karnataka?
See, for different elections, it would be different reasons.
Yeah.
But this time around, in urban, at least people are aware that this is for a larger picture, is for the nation. You are choosing the leader for the nation. So that awareness at least is there. Though it may not be well in certain other pockets, here at least people are aware.
So you're saying a national election is very different from a state election.
Definitely.
So is the Modi factor still dominant?
Quite a bit.
And what do you personally like about him, and one thing you'd want him to do differently?
One thing I want him to do differently is definitely want to be more reciprocative, and he should make people know what is being done.
Okay.
Because most of the time he is silent.
Okay.
But what I like about him is definitely he's taking. He has made a lot of us proud in so many different ways. Yes, still there's a lot to go. But at least we are happy that no big scams are there in the last 10 years.
Is Ram Mandir an issue?
Perhaps to some, not to everybody.
Is it to you?
To a certain extent.
What is the most important issue then?
For these elections,
For you as a voter?
for me as a voter, definitely each person, wherever he is living, should take pride in what is happening around him and the safety of it. Irrespective of whether the local government is a double engine sarkar or a different one, people should feel safe. And development should be there, and no politics should be there if it is a different government in the center and different in
So
the
the
state.
Congress did quite well here in the assembly, and people voted one way in the assembly, one way maybe in the national, we don't know, but the Congress is hoping to repeat some success.
Definitely, everyone is hopeful of doing better this time.
But are you a Modi fan?
Personally, yes.
Personally, yes. Okay.